Okay, here's a quick demo of how to find the BIMTrack clashes inside of the actual model. I know it's a little bit difficult because it doesn't jump exactly to the spot where the actual clash is. So hopefully this will help. The first thing to do is to limit or filter the number of clashes to the specific items that you want to look at. So under the filter item, for the zone, you can pick the building that you're looking at, which in this one case is the main admin building. Let's look at clashes that are open, and then let's look at the clashes that are assigned to you. Hit the apply button. That cuts it down from the 1,200 list to the 54 that have been assigned to you in this building that are currently open. The next thing that I do is, since most of these are clashes with other MEP items, I'll go through and I'll hide the structural and the architectural models. So it's just the MEP models. That'll make things a little bit more clear. If you notice there's a clash with an architectural or structural item, you'll of course want to unhide those models, turn those back on. So now the next thing is you hit the View and Model button. And this is where it jumps you to kind of a camera angle of the clash is here, but you don't see it, right? You see the picture here that kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like, but it's not really easy to pick it out with all the rest of this stuff. If you right-click over here, there's a button that says Show Hide Clash Pinpoints. If you click on that, it's going to create a sphere where the clash is at. And so if I zoom down, you can see it actually created this sphere. My navigation is really touchy, where that clash is at. But when it first did that, we were still in this view, and that sphere may not be exactly obvious where it's located. When it creates that sphere, it also creates that sphere as its own little NWD file. So if you click on that and then click on Zoom Selected, it will jump you right to it. And then you can see here's the clash that was referring to. So if we go to the next one, this one I think is a little more obvious. We do the same thing. Show Hide Clash Pinpoint. Going to put the sphere right where that clash is at. There's another option. It may not help too much in locating it, but if you wanted to, we go back to this one. There is an option that says Isolate Elements. That's just going to hide everything else except for those items that are clashing. You can see that clash, but really without the relationship with the rest of the model, I don't know if that does any good. Turn those back. But like I said, hide your architectural structural, and then turn on these pins to help locate where those are at. Yeah, I think that's about it. Hopefully that helps. If not, let me know, and we can talk about some other things.